Well, let's go to the trial of two of the tavern owners who've now been charged with contravening the Liquor Act in the wake of the Enyobeni tragedy last year, in which 21 young people lost their lives. On the stand today, Tabisa Diko, a former employee, as well as an 18-year-old boy who explained what happened on the 25th of June last year. The tavern owners, Vuyokazi and Siyakhangela Ndevu, both charged with contravening the Liquor Act. Siphosethu, Booi, was there.
Well, the court proceedings have now wrapped up. The court has adjourned after hearing two state witnesses take to the stand at the Enyobeni trial. And, of course, we heard from the first witness, who's an 18-year-old boy, who really took us through to what actually happened on the 25th of June last year, when 21 young patrons lost their lives at the Enyobeni Tavern in Scenery Park. And now I am joined by the NPA regional spokesperson, to give us a throw forward with regards to what is it that we can expect tomorrow in the court proceedings, in the trial as it continues, Mr. Dali.
Okay, thank you very much. Tomorrow we are going to proceed and call more witnesses. One witness that is important that we are going to call is the complainant in the matter, a representative from the liquor board. You remember we had a witness from the liquor board before. She was only talking in terms of how the license is issued. Now the complainant or the representative that is coming tomorrow is going to add on that and show the court as to what is really expected of a licensee once they've been granted the license. Then after that witness, if we still have time, we're going to call more witnesses.
And also, just after the proceedings today of the former employee of Mr. Ndevu and Mrs. Ndevu, can you really state, or rather give a direction in terms of the confidence of the NPA in the case against the two accused who have already pleaded not guilty to any of the charges that were brought forward to them?
We believe that the witnesses we called today were able to establish what we wanted the court to hear. We know they were cross-examined, and one would think that, there were contradictions here and there. But what is important is that there were children on that day, and both witnesses did say that. Because our case here is that liquor was sold in that establishment to children that are underage. And both witnesses were able to tell the court that there were underage children in that establishment at that time, and there was consumption of liquor by these children who were inside the premises. I think that is what we wanted the court to hear, and that is what was told to the court by the witnesses.
NPA regional spokesperson Vuyokazi speaking to us, and just wrapping up what it is that we can expect tomorrow here at the East London Regional Court as the Enyobeni trial will resume. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Siphosethu, Booi in East London.